What is up guys, Alex here. I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. In this video I'm going to be reviewing these headphones, talking about their specs, the case, what they look like, of course the sound quality as well, testing them out, showing you guys of course how loud they are, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so first things first with these headphones is the case. This case is super slick, matte rose gold, which is a really neat touch. You guys know that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus had a glossy case, and the regular Buds had a matte glossy plastic case, but this is just a matte rose gold case. As you guys can see, it looks super good, super slick, definitely fits in the palm of your hand and as well as in your pocket, just like AirPods or the Apple AirPods Pro. It has a USB Type-C at the back for charging. That way you can use your regular Samsung Galaxy phone charger with it, but if you have an iPhone and you bought these headphones, you're gonna have to of course use the charger that it comes with. The case also has an LED in the front indicating of course if it's charging, how much battery it has. Of course if it's green, if it's red, like charging case, it's a low battery. Now in the front it has the Samsung logo and it says sound by AKG. The back it has a hole or like a circle. I'm pretty sure that's for wireless charging. You just place it on top and it's of course wireless charging. Again, case super good. Now let's move on into the headphones. So when you open up the case, this is what you get. Now I like that they make the headphones rose gold, but it's not matte, it's actually glossy plastic. As you guys can see right there, it is of course glossy. So, and one thing that really made me not buy these headphones, but I was really interested in these headphones are the earbuds. These earbuds look like kidney beans or something like that. They just look like beans that you would eat with like rice or something. So they look really, I guess, good. I'm not gonna lie, they do fit your ear pretty well, I'm gonna lie, but it all comes down to the sound quality. Now let's talk about some of the specs. So I like the design of these headphones, that they're super aerodynamic, so they fit in your ear basically really good, and you can basically move your head around and stuff. So when you have both sides, you have to look. Not gonna lie, I was a little confused when I first put on these headphones. You have to look for the little speaker at the bottom. That's how you know which one's top or bottom. Then you just place it in your ear like if it was regular headphones. As you can see, I can move my head and they're not gonna fall out like the AirPods Pro or the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These headphones are super good. I'm not gonna lie, I like that they have an aerodynamic design that makes them really comfortable in your ear, and you can definitely use them for many hours or basically until they die without them being uncomfortable. Now for some people, my ears, they work fine with my ears, but for some people they have big or small ears, it could get a little uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie, but for people who have just regular sized ears, I'm pretty sure these headphones will fit you perfectly. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure also that you can do not quote me, that you can choose the size when you buy the headphones if you want the earbuds small or big. I'm not really sure, this is just a wild guess, but if they did do that, Samsung is really considering people with big ears or small ears. But again, super aerodynamic design, fitting your ear pretty good. Alright guys, so connectivity. So basically, if you have them already paired, all you have to do is open the case and they've already paired to your phone, especially if this is Samsung. And I'm pretty sure the same goes for Apple iPhones. Now, but if you haven't paired, all you have to do is hold both headphones and then have Bluetooth activated on your phone, but you do have to hold both earbuds for a matter of, I'm pretty sure, 5 seconds for them to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, if you have somebody in your family that's already using these headphones and they already have it paired to your phone, you might want to turn off the Bluetooth function on their phone, so these are able to connect to your phone as well. Again, super fast to connect to your phone. All you have to do is hold both headphones for maybe 5 to 10 seconds and they'll enter Bluetooth pairing mode. But if you have already paired them, all you have to do is really just open the case and they've already paired to your phone. Again, super easy. But honestly, these headphones are super comfortable. I really do recommend them if you have a Samsung or an iPhone. Of course, they basically work for any platform, iOS or Android. But yeah. Alright guys, now for the functions. So 1 tap, pause and play. 2 taps, next song, 3 taps to the song previous before. If you want to switch user, because these headphones have a ability or a function that I'm gonna mention later on into the video, but to switch users you basically hold it. But yeah, basically to receive a call or deny a call, you leave either the right side. I'm pretty sure that's to receive a call. When you're receiving a call, to answer, you hold the right side. When you want to decline a call, you hold the left side and you press it down. If I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure just try the other way around. Same goes for when you want to deactivate noise cancellation, because these headphones do also have noise cancellation. If you want to deactivate noise cancellation, I'm pretty sure you have to hold both sides for various seconds, and noise cancellation should not be on it. But yeah, now let's go into the battery life. Alright guys, now the battery life. These headphones are certified to have 6 to 21 hours of battery life, but I'm pretty sure the headphones have 8 hours of battery life, of course, at full charge. And with the case, you get a total of 29 hours of battery life. That's an entire day. And if you need to charge them, you can also use the wireless charger on the back. You just put it on your wireless charging table or dock, and they should charge it in 5 minutes. It should be up to like 10% or maybe 15 to 20% if you have a fast wireless charging, of course, coil where you're placing it on. Now the calls. Both headphones work in a call, not just one. They have 3 integrated microphones inside of the headphones, so that's also a pretty cool feature that they have. And yeah, honestly, these headphones have pretty good microphone quality with, of course, the other person that you're talking to, and then noise cancellation when you're listening to music. So I do recommend these headphones. Now, the big feature that I'm pretty sure this was the big selling point that Samsung had in mind when you buy these headphones. Now, when you buy these headphones, you get this ability. If you have another pair, or somebody else, your friends have another pair of course, Buds Live, you basically, I think, tap both of their headphones at the same time. I'm not really sure how it works, but if you have 2 Buds Live at the same time, you can basically pair them up to listen to the same music. So this is a really cool feature. Instead of you giving your friend your earbud to, just get their girl's earwax, or of course their germs and stuff like that, instead of you giving them your other side, if they have Buds Live, the same headphones, you can definitely pair them to their headphones so you guys can listen to the same music. This is a super cool feature. Haven't really tested it on myself because this is the only pair that I have, but I'm pretty sure that it works, and I'm pretty sure this is also the big selling point from the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Since coronavirus, you have to be more careful with sharing your headphones with people that, like, if it's your friends, of course you're definitely gonna share if you have AirPods, but of course the coronavirus, you have to be more careful, and I like that Samsung also took that precaution while they were making these headphones. Of course, remember these headphones also have EKG sound, and I've always thought that EKG has some really good sound. I myself have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the headphones that it comes with sound really, really good and super loud, and I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do have to turn on the volume, so EKG sound is also really good. And another thing, these headphones are also waterproof. They're IPX water resistant. I'm sorry, not waterproof. Nothing is truly waterproof, but these are IPX2 water resistant. I'm pretty sure you can leave them up to 30 minutes underwater without them, without them failing. I will be conducting a water test on a separate video, so stay tuned for that. But not for the meat of the video. This is the sound test for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Alright guys, so this is the sound test. This is the right side, but yeah, here you go. These headphones sound super loud. Guys, they pretty much sound the same on both sides. These headphones are super loud. Not gonna lie, they sort of blow me away. They're definitely louder than basically any other Samsung Galaxy headphone that there's out there, like the Buds. I'm pretty sure they're not louder than the ones that go over your head, but these still are super loud, and they still fit your ears super well. Again, these headphones are super loud. You guys saw the sound test. It basically sound the same on the left side, and then you also have noise cancellation. So honestly, these headphones would have been really good, like 10 out of 10, if they had a transparency mode, so you can hear like the outside when like when you know mama's gonna call you, or when you're waiting for somebody to call you or something like that, or when you're outside and somebody taps you, or not taps you but calls you, and you can't hear them because of the headphones. Headphones would have been 10 out of 10 if they would have had a transparency mode. But yeah, honestly, these headphones are super good. Now let's go into the conclusion. All right, guys. In conclusion, these headphones are really good. I give them a 9 out of 10. Only reason I don't give them a 10 out of 10 is because they don't have a transparency mode, and because I'm not sure if they come in different sizes for people that have, of course, bigger ears or smaller ears. My ears, they just fit fine for my ears. But yeah, definitely these headphones, I 100% do recommend them. But yeah, honestly, have basically 29s of battery life to the max. So these headphones are really good. 100% do recommend them. We'll leave the link to if you want to buy these headphones on the website down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.